Hey guys, today I'm filming the next update for my non-makeup rolling project pan series, and I had a great update the last time I finished a ton of things, and I was actually able to finish 10 more products this month, which is so exciting. And it's interesting because for the products where I'm tracking uses, there are fewer there for a couple of reasons. I'm filming this video after only 3 weeks instead of my typical month. Also, I did have a shower out of town, which means I didn't do all of my normal body washes, scrubs, lotions, all of the different body products that I'm using. And honestly, I just was a little bit down the dumps a bit over the past month and went like an extra day without showering. So all those reasons why I have less uses, but I still have several empty products that I am excited to share my thoughts about. Again, there were 10 empties this month. First empty is the Naturium Purple Ginseng Cleansing Balm. I really enjoyed this. It comes with 3 ounces of product, and this is fantastic. It does not have a scent. It did completely remove all of my face and eye makeup without burning my eyes, and there was a slight film left behind, but it didn't really feel like a film. It just felt like my face wasn't dried out. So this is definitely something I would want to purchase again in the future. One of the better cleansing balms that I've tried so far this year. And then I finally finished this 4-ounce size of the Philosophy Purity Cleanser. I believe I've been using this since the beginning of the year, which is insane. This looks like such a small container, but you don't need that much. You guys know that I love this product. It is so simple, but I love that. I do have 2 more this size thanks to my friend Jean, so I won't need to buy it anytime soon, but I definitely will. And make sure you wait until you can get this half off, because it will often be in the skincare event or 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta, or it will be part of a Black Friday sale at Ulta or Sephora. So really happy to have finally finished that, even though I love it. It took a long time. Next, I finally finished off the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. I have been using this since the beginning of the year as well. And last month, this was weighing at 2.360 ounces. Today, all used up, 2.249. I did really enjoy this. I would love to have it again. I didn't notice anything significant from it, but I feel that way with basically all serums at this point. Luckily, I don't have a ton of wrinkles, so I am using products in a preventative way. So I really did enjoy this, would love to have it again. Then I used up 3 different moisturizers. So first would be the Belif True Cream Aqua Balm, and I went through this faster than I expected, but that's because I had started working on it earlier in the year, and then I put it on hold for something else. Finally used up. You guys know this is my favorite daytime moisturizer. It gives my oily skin just the perfect amount of moisture for the daytime for under makeup. And I already do have a backup full size, and I have several little minis for travel. Then when I finished that up, I decided to pull out the mini moisturizer that was in my travel bag, because it's been in there for most of this year, I believe. And that would be the Dr. Zenovia Aloe Vera Blemish Soothing Moisturizer. I have 2 full sizes of this back when I used to get PR from Dr. Zenovia. This is my favorite product that they make. It's so good. It again is so great for my oily skin for the daytime. I can use this at night as well, but so sad that this is all used up, but it's fantastic. Highly recommend it. And sometimes when Sephora does like Memorial Day, Veterans Day sort of sales, Dr. Zenovia does go on sale at Sephora during those times. And then at night, I have been using this Kopari Moisture Whipped Ceramide Cream, and this had a ton of product in it, 0.7 ounces or 20 mils. And Dr. Zenovia was 0.5 ounces or 15 mils. So this lasted me a long time, and no real coconut scent, which is wonderful, because I feel like a lot of the Kopari skincare products I've tried just haven't felt like right for me. This was so nice for the nighttime. I can't remember if this was included in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, but I do have other moisturizers in my collection I need to get through first. But if this was in 21 Days of Beauty again next year at some point, I would consider picking this up. Just gave me the great amount of hydration without feeling heavy on my skin. It did sink in. Really great product. Then I finished the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I used this 2 times in the month of August. I got 8 uses out of this total. Really love this product. I already have some larger sizes that I got as Ulta freebies. This is the best scalp scrub type of product that I've tried. I feel like it's easy to work through in the hair and rinse out and makes my scalp feel super clean. So definitely will repurchase in the future. And for hair, I also finished the Moroccon Oil Protect and Prevent Spray for color treated hair. Love the scent of this. Was a great leave-in conditioner detangler type of product. But I have others I prefer. I would rather just get, it's a 10, but if I get any more minis, I will definitely use it up. Then just last night, I was able to finish up these two body products, the Hut Shea Sugar Scrub and Coconut Lime. I've started using this on more places on my body. I was using it on the stretch marks that are on my thighs and my stomach. I used it on the KP on my arms as well as on my chest and under my boobs where I get a little bit sweaty and have a lot of baby puke on me. This is amazing. I love the texture. I love the scent. I have one more of these and I do have another scent that my friends gifted me. So definitely something that I love. Would love to keep an eye out for other scents that I would like to use throughout the year because I really liked incorporating a body scrub into my routine. So I definitely need to check out the other scents that they have. Please leave me your recommendations down below. And I also finished my Derma E Scar Gel. This was also not brand new when I rolled this in. I had used probably half of this. So in July, I used it 5 times. In August, I used it 7 times. So 12 uses total before I finish it. And again, it wasn't brand new. This is something that I do like, but this does feel like a jelly and parts of it can get a little bit crunchy. And I have other products that I feel like sink into the skin a little bit better. I would definitely use more of these if I got them in PR, but I am wanting to try out some other things that I have for my stretch mark scars and see which one does the best job, but this is a nice product. Okay, so now I'm into the products that I will be currently using, starting with hair. I am using the Derma E Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. I am liking these, but I think the Scalp Relief is still my favorite, but I like these enough to use them up, even though I know it's gonna take a long time. So I was right here last month, now down to here. So at this rate, I'm gonna be seeing this till next spring or summer. Then for my conditioner, started up here. Now I'm down here, so a ton of use in a month. I go through a lot more conditioner, but really love both these products so far. For my leave-in, I'm using one of my newer products, but I wanted to try it and see if I like it and want to keep it. If not, I was gonna pass it on. I do like it, so I will keep it and just go ahead and knock it out. This is the Briogeo Color Me Brilliant Mushroom and Bamboo Color Protect Primer. And it definitely was not completely full because I have not used up this much in a month, but this is where I am now. Moving on to skincare products. So last month I had already started using a lot of different things from Skin Proud, but this month I decided to pull in everything else that I have from them. I'm going to test it out, do a review on Instagram, and then we will see which products that I want to keep in my routine and which ones I decide I want to pass on. So after I finished the Naturium Cleansing Balm, I did go back to the Versed Day Dissolve. Like I said, I think I only used this maybe 2 or 3 more times this month. Naturium's way better than this. The clove scent in this is like overwhelming to me, but I'm gonna use it up, but I'm going to put it back to the side for now. And I am going to solely be testing the Skin Proud Face Melt Gentle Hydrating Cleansing Balm. So we'll see what that hydration means. So super excited to try this and see if it has a scent. That is the one thing I've noticed about the Skin Proud products I've tried so far, is that they are all scented, which is not my fave. For cleanser, also from Skin Proud, we have the Velvet Cloud Cleanser. Haven't used this at all yet. I don't know that I'm going to like a foaming cleanser, but we'll see. For face scrub, still working on the New Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish. More than halfway done with this, hoping this will last me through the end of the year. For toner, using the Skin Proud Detox Tonic Daily AHA Exfoliating Tonic. Brand new last month, now down to here. Really liking this product so far. For daytime serum, I was alternating between the two of these, but if I'm being honest, I was mostly using the Skin Proud one and I cracked the lid. So This is their Bright Boost 2% vitamin C serum, and I had been weighing this since it is an opaque bottle. So last month this weighed 1.449 ounces. Today it weighs 1.330, and this is supposed to come with 0.85 ounces of product. And the one that I use just a little bit would be the Replenish Blemish Clarifying Acne Treatment. This has 2 ounces in it. And last month this weighed 3.757 ounces. Today, 3.720. I have this and a cleanser from Replenish that are in their acne line that I'm going to ask a couple friends if they want, just because I have so many things. If not, I will keep them and use them up, but I think it's just gonna take me forever, and I like it, but I don't love it. And I just used up the Drunk Elephant like 2 days ago. So the nighttime serum I will be bringing in is my all-time favorite, the DermaE Ultra Hydrating Dewy Skin Serum. I am about to here, so this should take me through the end of winter or so to get through, which I'm totally fine with. I absolutely love this. For daytime moisturizer, I'm going to be trying both of these from Skin Proud. I've used them a couple of times, but I want to use them more to have some more solidified thoughts. So this is the Sorbet Skin Everyday Jelly Moisturizer and the Frozen Over Gel to Ice Hydrator. Then for nighttime, I have a couple different samples, so we'll see what I get to. I have the foil sample of the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm I love so much. This has 3 mils in it, or 0.10 fluid ounces, so the Belif samples are actually pretty good size. Then I got this in a Ulta free gift, and I think the texture of this is supposed to be better for like more hydration, but we'll see. The MAC Hyperreal Skin Canvas Balm Moisturizing Cream. This is pretty teeny. It comes with 0.17 ounces or 5 mils. And then something that I would likely use on top of one of those other moisturizers would be the Belif Aqua Balm Sleeping Mask. This is 10 mils. So you have 3 mils in this, 10 mils in this. And this is something I've used before, haven't loved it, but I got another freebie, so I figured it's something that I can use up. For eye cream, I am using the Skin Proud Bright Eye Pomegranate Gel Cream. So I went through this much in the first month, this much over this past month. So I think I can have this finished by next update, which seems really quick, but it has half an ounce of product. I really like this product. And then also from Skin Proud. This is not an ad. Like I said, I just want to test these things to review them. This is their Serious Shade Sunscreen with SPF of 50. And I am down here. I don't know if it came completely full. I didn't realize you could see through it until I tried today. Loving this so far. And then for some miscellaneous things, this is the Murad Invisiscar Resurfacing Treatment. I put it on the acne scarring on my cheeks a couple of times, and I'm just tracking uses on this. I used it only 3 times in August. And lastly, for skincare, I have the Dr. Zenovia 10% Glycolic Acne Peel Pads. I only use these on days where I didn't wear any makeup, so I only got to use them twice over the past month, which is fine. I love these. I'm not in a rush to get through them. Now moving on to the body products. This is where the uses are not that impressive. Still have this CeraVe Renewing Salicylic Acid Cleanser hanging on. I'm using this as my all over body wash. I went from here to here. Should be done by next update, hopefully. For a body scrub that I'm just going to use in the KP on my arms for now, I'm going to roll in this little sample of the Crepe Erase Body Smoothing Pre-Treatment. This has half a fluid ounce, brand new. And for my underarm products, I have the Mega Babe Space Bar Underarm Charcoal Detox Bar. I used this one 4 times. And then for the Mega Babe Happy Pits Detoxifying Underarm Mask, I used this one 3 times. For my lotions, the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Lotion for rough and bumpy skin. Just used this in the KP on my arms. Used it 7 times, so not very much progress there. This will be going through the end of fall, or maybe all the way through the end of December. Great progress on this. This is the Topical Slather Exfoliating Body Serum. I'm using this on my thighs where I have some KP. Used it 7 times and I made all of that progress. So sorry if the lighting or camera angle is messed up. My memory card filled up, so I had to delete some stuff. Then for my hand cream, the Belif Aqua Balm Hydrating Body Moisturizer. I had this laying on its side, so I'm not really sure where it is. I used this 7 times as well. I'm hoping to have this one finished by the next update so that I'll have enough time to use up the final one that I have, but we'll see. I would like to get through both of them by the end of fall, but again, if I can finish them both by the end of the year, I'll be happy with that. And then a new thing I want to roll in for my stretch mark scars would be from Dr. Zenovia, the Scar Gel Treatment. And this has 0.75 fluid ounces. This is meant to be a product for your face, but why not try it on my body? So this is something where I will likely track the uses. So we'll see how that goes. And then I don't really have very many declutters for this month, surprisingly. I have the Replenix Retinol and Bakuchiol Concentrated Serum. This feels a little bit more like an oil to me, and I just don't like that consistency, so I'm going to pass it on. Then I have the Dr. Zenovia Benzoyl Peroxide Acne Spot Treatment, and this expired in July, so I have to toss it. And then I have this Original Beauty Blender in a yellow shade. I've had this for a really long time because I was just using this for my liquid and cream cheek products, but it's time to toss it out. I had some other beauty blenders waiting in the wings. So guys, that was my update. So excited about all of my empties. Next month, I think the only empty I might have would be some of these mini moisturizers, maybe this mini body scrub and this eye cream, but that's okay. I had 2 great months of empties. And like I said, some of these products that are from Skin Proud, I might end up like rolling out, and I'll have some other new things in to test, but we will see. I would love to hear what skincare products, hair and body products that you're using right now, what you'd recommend. I would love to hear your favorite scents of the Tree Hut scrubs. And if you would like to see some makeup project pans, I am about to wrap up my summer makeup project and start my fall one. And then I also have a year-long makeup project pan. I will have those playlists linked for you. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.